Hey guys, today we wanted to show you 5 cool tips for the Samsung Galaxy S22. So the first tip is how you can change the refresh rate of your screen. In order to do so, go to the settings, display, motion smoothness. And here you can see that the device allows you to choose from 2 options: adaptive motion smoothness, which basically gets you the smoother animations and scrolling, and the refresh rate of your screen going to be 120 Hz. And when it comes to the standard motion smoothness mode, it gets you longer battery life with the 60 Hz of screen refresh rate. You do you, choose whatever you like better. The next tip is how you can add a widget on this smartphone. So in order to do so, choose any home screen you like, tap and hold, go to Widgets, and let's say I want to add this Chrome Dino widget. I'll go ahead and add it. Just tap on it, then tap on Add, and now this widget is active. That was it. You can also move the widget just like that. Tap, hold, and then choose where you want to place it. The next tip that we wanted to share with you guys is how you can hide an app. So for example, let's say you have this Facebook app and you are preparing for some upcoming exams in the university, and each time you stumble upon this icon you get distracted. So I'll show how you can hide this icon, and how you can hide this icon without deleting an app itself. So choose any blank space on any of your home screens, tap, hold, go to the settings, look for hide app section, choose the app you want to hide. In my case it's going to be Facebook. As you can see, it has appeared in the panel with hidden apps. Press on done here, and now as you can see its icon is no longer there. So please note once again that by doing so you do not delete the app, you just hide its icon so it will not distract you. The next tip that I wanted to show is how you can change the font style and size. In order to do so, just go to the settings again, display, look for font size and style. You can either choose one of the standard font styles that the system offers you, or you can also download fonts if you like some custom fonts on the web. That's pretty much up to you. The next thing that we can customize is whether to make our font bold or not. So that's how the bold font looks like. And you can also change the size of a font. So let me go ahead and do that, and as you can see the size has been significantly increased at size. Let's just go back and get things back to normal, just like that. Alright, so the final tip that I wanted to share with you guys is how you can change the navigation panel. It is these 3 buttons, so you just go to the settings again, just a second. You just go to the settings, display, look for the navigation bar section, and here you can choose between 2 options as well, between 2 navigations type. The first one being the buttons navigations type, which you can also customize the order in. So you can just switch between these 2 options easily, and you can also navigate via gestures, via swipe gestures to be precise. So you can see this digital buttons has just disappeared. So right now, in order to get back to the home page, you just swiftly swipe this bar up. In order to open up Recents app, you just hold this bar and slowly drag it to the top, like that. And in order to get back to the previous page, when we open up the gallery for example, you just swipe to the right, and as you can see this small dot appears, which means that you are doing everything right. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave your like, comment, and bye bye.